Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for musical instruments business easy and quick. So as you know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Here you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build your homepage, build your site, and also you can set up without AI. So let's try to set up without AI. Let's get started. Now enter here your business type or your website type. Okay, so here you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Let's continue. So enter here your store name. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or dropshipping products or services or print on demand products? So, so this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media or in person? So let's continue to dashboard. So let's design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So let's get started from here. So here you can add your information, the name, the email, the address. Also you can add the logo, the phone, and add the social link. So let's continue. Here you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try to make your site look attractive to pull more customers and more people to your website. So here you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So here you can add page to your site. Okay, let's move on. So wait a few seconds to preparing your homepage design. So now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Here we have the elements. You can add a section. You can go to the site design and change the site design. So first here we have the elements. So we have first the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also here we have the image. You can upload and import image. Here we have the buttons. You can customize the theme buttons, the text and the icon buttons. Also here we have the decorative. You can customize the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines or vertical lines. Also if you want to add something new, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add in your homepage. Here we have the site design. You can change and customize the site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background, the page transitions. So that's it. So this is your page right now, your home page. So first here we have the header section. So as you see, you can change the site name if you want. You can change the horizontal menu. You can manage the horizontal menu. Now let's move on to the next section. So you can add image here if you want, and also you can change the title. So let's move on to the next section. So this is the product section. You can manage the product section. Okay, so first here click on new product and select physical product or digital file. So here you have to add the title of your product, image and videos, product information. So you have to add the name, the description. Also you can customize the price and options. You can customize the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, you can save this place and go back and complete here the design of your home page. Here we have the subscribe form. So like the same thing as normal, you can just click here and you can change just the form, and also you can change this paragraph here if you want. Now let's move on to the next section, about section. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background. You can change the paragraph. If you want to change it, just click on it like this and create AI text. You can select just the type of the section. So for example, this about section, select about section, and so as you see here, you can use this one. So this is like simply and easy and quick. Okay, so if you want to change this image, just click here, change strip background, and go in on the image and search on musical instruments. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, just a random image. So let's move on to the next one. So this is the same thing as normal, just if you want to change the text, just click here and select the type of the section, and it's gonna be created. So that's it. Also the image here, the same thing, just click here and you can change image. You can edit the image if you want. You can also design it, so you can discover more frames. Okay, um, so that's it. If you want to change the strip background, so that's it. This is the last section here. So here we have the footer section, so you can just enter your company name for the copyright. Okay, so before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. So after you verify, you can publish your website and you can start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.